We're going to start by finely mincing some chives and set half aside for garnish, then add the rest to a bowl with softened goat cheese, salt, and pepper and mix it all up. If your tomatoes are wobbly, slice off a very thin piece from the bottom to even them out. Then cut off the tops and use a spoon to dig out a good amount of flesh from the inside. Season them up really well and then stuff them each with the goat cheese mixture. Top with some freshly cracked black pepper, then place them on a sheet pan and bake at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, heat some olive oil in a medium skillet, add panko breadcrumbs, and toss them around until they're nicely golden brown. When the tomatoes are warmed through, transfer to a serving dish, spoon the toasted breadcrumbs over top, sprinkle with the reserved chives, and serve. So what do you do with all these leftover tomato guts that you scooped out of the middle? Don't throw them away, throw them into the blender and make a Bloody Mary. Duh.